Welcome to our special session. Our legs are the foundation of our life's journey. But over time, joints can stiffen and muscles can begin to weaken significantly. You might feel that every step is becoming heavier and more difficult. This common challenge often stems from the gradual loss of muscle mass in our thighs. Science shows that the quadriceps muscles are the primary shock absorbers for our knees. When these muscles fade, our joints must bear the entire weight of movement. The good news is that muscle tissue can be revitalized at any age. Today, we focus on awakening that dormant power within your very own legs right now. I am here to guide you through 3 simple, seated exercises. These movements are designed specifically to protect your knees while building lasting, functional strength and stability. We will not use any heavy equipment today. All you need is a comfortable chair and your commitment to improving your mobility and quality of life starting now. Remember that strength is not built in a day, but through the power of persistence. Every small movement you make today is a victory for your future. Let us begin by finding your center. Sit tall with your spine elongated and your feet firmly planted on the ground, feeling the connection to the earth below. By following these simple steps, you are taking back control of your independence. Let us breathe together and prepare our bodies for this healing movement journey. Warming up is essential for joint lubrication. Gently tap your toes and heels to stimulate blood flow and signal your nervous system that it is time to move. Before we move, let us understand the internal mechanics of your knees. Understanding how your body works will help you perform each exercise with greater purpose. When the thigh muscles are weak, the space between your bones narrows. This creates friction, leading to the pain and stiffness that many seniors experience daily. Think of your muscles as powerful cables on a suspension bridge. When these cables are tight and strong, they lift the joint, reducing bone-on-bone contact and pain. Movement acts like a pump for your joints. It circulates the synovial fluid, which is the natural lubricant that keeps your cartilage healthy and your movements smooth. A strong muscle means a smooth knee. By strengthening the quadriceps, we are essentially building a natural brace that protects your skeletal structure from unnecessary wear. These exercises focus on isometric and isotonic movements. This means we are building strength without putting excessive stress or high-impact force on your sensitive joints. As we exercise, oxygen-rich blood floods the area, repairing damaged tissues and revitalizing the nerves that control your balance and your overall coordination during walking. Proper tracking of the kneecap is vital. Our exercises will balance the strength on both the inner and outer thighs to ensure your knee moves perfectly. By reducing the pressure, we allow the cartilage to breathe and regenerate. This is the secret to walking comfortably well into your golden years and beyond. Look at the difference strength makes. On the left, a compressed joint. On the right, a supported one. We are aiming for that supported, painless state. Now that you understand the why, let's get into the how. We will start with our first exercise, which focuses on pure muscle engagement and control. Place your hands on your thighs so you can actually feel the muscles working. This mind-muscle connection is crucial for getting the best results from every representative. Exercise 1 is the seated knee extension. Slowly straighten your right leg out in front of you. Keep your back straight and your core gently engaged. Hold this position for 5 seconds. You should feel a strong tightening in the front of your thigh. This is your quadriceps waking up and getting stronger. To make it more effective, flex your foot by pulling your toes toward your body. This engages the entire kinetic chain from your hip down to your toes. Slowly lower your foot back to the floor. The downward phase is just as important as the upward phase for building muscle control and joint stability. Now, let's switch to the left leg. Lift slowly, hold, and breathe. Never hold your breath during the exercise, as your muscles need oxygen to perform well. This movement targets all 4 heads of the quadriceps. It is the most direct way to strengthen the support system around your kneecap and distal femur. Aim for 10 repetitions on each side. If you feel tired, it is okay to start with 5 and gradually increase as your strength improves over the weeks. Exhale as you lift the leg. Inhale as you lower it. This rhythmic breathing helps maintain a steady heart rate and keeps your body in a relaxed state. Focus on quality over quantity. A slow, controlled movement is much more beneficial for joint health than a fast, swinging motion that uses momentum instead. With each repetition, you are signaling your body to reinforce these fibers. You are literally rebuilding your physical foundation with every single lift you perform. Notice how the instructor's back remains glued to the imaginary wall. Avoid leaning back to compensate. Keep the work strictly in your legs for maximum gain. Excellent. Even if your leg only lifts a few inches at first, you are making progress. Every inch counts toward your goal of walking with confidence. Now that the front of the thighs are warm, let's move to our second exercise, which improves your walking gait and your overall hip mobility. Exercise 2 is seated marching. While sitting tall, lift your right knee toward the ceiling as high as is comfortable. Then lower it gently down. This movement mimics the action of taking a step. It strengthens the hip flexors and the lower abdominals, which are vital for lifting your feet safely. Inside your body, the psoas and glute muscles are working together to stabilize your pelvis. This synergy is what prevents falls and improves your balance. Keep your core tight. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head toward the sky. This ensures that your hip muscles do all the work. By strengthening these muscles, you increase your ability to navigate uneven surfaces and stairs. You are building the confidence to walk anywhere you choose to go. You can add a natural arm swing if you feel comfortable. This coordinates your upper and lower body, further enhancing your nervous system's ability to walk smoothly. Notice how the hip joint moves in its socket. This exercise keeps the joint capsule flexible and prevents the stiffness that often leads to a shuffling gait. Try to pause for a split second at the top of the movement. This brief pause challenges your balance and forces your stabilizing muscles to work harder. Land softly. Imagine you are walking on thin ice. This mindful landing protects your ankle and knee joints from unnecessary impact during the practice today. A strong march also means a healthy back. By engaging your deep core, you take the pressure off your lumbar spine, reducing potential back pain issues. As you get stronger, you can slightly increase the pace. This turns the exercise into a gentle seated cardio workout, benefiting your heart and your lungs too. Take a moment to rest. Feel the warmth in your hips and thighs. This increased circulation is a sign that your body is responding to the movement. We are now ready for our final exercise. This one is the secret weapon for knee protection, specifically targeting the inner side of the joint. Exercise 3 is the adductor squeeze. Place a small pillow or a soft ball between your knees. This will be our resistance for the next movement. Squeeze the pillow as hard as is comfortable. Hold this squeeze for 5 seconds. Then release slowly. You are now targeting your inner thigh adductors. The inner thighs are often the most neglected muscles, yet they are crucial for stabilizing the knee and preventing the caving in motion that causes injury. By strengthening the inner thighs, you provide a lateral support system for your knees. This is especially important for those suffering from medial compartment osteoarthritis. Keep your feet flat. Only your knees and thighs should be moving. This isolation ensures that the corrective force goes exactly where it is needed most. This isometric contraction builds strength without moving the joint, making it the safest way to exercise if you have significant knee pain or inflammation. Breathe out as you squeeze. Imagine you are pressing all your stress into the pillow and letting it go as you release the tension and relax. Count to 5 slowly in your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Repeat this 10 times to build deep, structural endurance in your legs. Interestingly, this exercise also helps strengthen the pelvic floor. It is a comprehensive movement for lower body stability and internal health for men and women. No pillow? No problem. You can simply press your knees together and use your own resistance to achieve the same muscle activation and strengthening effect today. You have completed the 3 core exercises. Your legs are now more awake, more aligned, and better prepared for the demands of your daily life activities. Notice how your legs feel now. They might feel a bit tingly or warm. This is a great sign that your muscles are finally back at work. Before we finish, let's cover some critical safety tips to ensure you get the maximum benefit without any risk of injury during your home practice. Avoid leaning back. When you slouch, you stop using your leg muscles and start straining your lower back. Always maintain that tall, proud posture we practiced. Stay upright. If you need support, place a small cushion behind your lower back to help you maintain the natural curve of your spine while you exercise. Never hold your breath. This can cause a sudden spike in blood pressure. Keep your breath flowing like a calm river throughout every single movement you do. Breathe deep into your belly. Let your diaphragm move freely. This not only fuels your muscles but also calms your nervous system and reduces overall pain. Listen to your body. Muscle effort is good, but sharp joint pain is a signal to stop. If it hurts, reduce the range of motion immediately today. Modification is a sign of wisdom, not weakness. A smaller, pain-free movement is much better than a large movement that causes you discomfort or potential injury later. Take this time to connect with your body. Exercise is a form of meditation. Be present with every sensation as you rebuild your physical strength and grace. Finish your session by sending gratitude to your legs. They have carried you for many years, and today you are giving them the care they deserve. Look at the transformation. With consistent practice, the trembling disappears, replaced by the steady strength of a body that is cared for and well exercised every day. Strength allows you to enjoy the moments that matter most. Walking with your loved ones, exploring the world, and maintaining your freedom are within your reach. Age is just a number. Your vitality is determined by your actions. By choosing to move today, you are choosing a brighter and more active tomorrow. Just 15 minutes a day can change your life. Consistency is the key that unlocks a world of mobility and keeps you moving forward with total confidence. Thank you for joining Vital Signals. Please subscribe for more health tips tailored for your journey. We are honored to be a part of your wellness path. Stay strong, stay active, and most importantly, stay consistent. We look forward to seeing you in our next session. Until then, take care and keep moving.